tilt. Okay, it's got your forward and reverse here. Forward, reverse. Got the warning, it's got all the lights on it. Jump off real quick, do a walk around. It's a 3,000 pound lift. Brand new, we've had it for 2 months. It'll run for about 4 hours on a charge, so it's just not enough for us. We run an 8-hour or 10-hour shift. Great lift. It is from China. And I mean, it's got everything you would want. It turns great. If you got a small shop, anything like that, that you can live with 4 or 5 hours just lifting and moving around stuff, it's a great lift for the money. No doubt about it. And this has got it's a 60 volt system. Charges up overnight. And again, we run it up and down hills, and we can get about 4 hours out of a 10-hour shift, so it's just not quite enough. Anyway, it's got all the OSha requirements on it: lights, buzzer, everything. And yep, lights there, blinkers, backup lights, seat belt. Yep, seat belt. Little thing for a drink holder here. And yeah, it's just got, and unlatch this, pull it up, and you can charge it. Forward, reverse, side shift. Yeah, I really hate to get rid of it. I wish I had. But anyway, yeah, if you're interested, let me know. It's we received it in December. And it's a good, it's a good lift. It's showing 60.7 kilometers. Don't know if it's got an hour meter on it. I don't know that much about it, but I'll find out. But we haven't run it. I don't know how many hours. We'd have to do the days, but it's not that long. So if you're interested in it, let me know. I'll ship it nationwide. You have to pay the shipping on it. But I think for the money for a brand new lift, it's a really nice lift. And like I say, you can undo that, and you just lift it up, and there's the batteries. You plug it in, batteries plug, and that's where you charge it. And down, and that is it. I mean, fire extinguisher, lights on the back. It's a 3,000 pound lift. Solid tires, solid pneumatic. Solid. They're not. There's no air. Triple stage mast, I believe. It's 180 inches. Not quite sure, but I can check that for you. But it's dusty, but it's brand. It's brand new. Nice seat. Nice dashboard. Nice roll cage. Like I say, blinkers, lights. CPD 16. So we do have another one in one of our locations from China. It's got the bigger batteries in it. Runs great. We've been running it for 4 years, and it's just messed up on the batteries on this one. And So, yep, just won't do the job down here for us and at our manufacturing facility. Like I say, we need more than 4 hours run time on it. So, thank you for looking.